I searched the web for what I think are the most useful websites that will enable you to earn money quickly, easily, and every single day. Having any experience will not be required for most of these websites, and you won't have to spend anything to get started. And the number one website on this list will earn you more money than you could imagine. So for number 15 on our list, we have Google Opinion Rewards. It's a website where you can earn money by taking short surveys. A lot of survey websites out there are scams, but Google Opinion Rewards is different. Based on most reviews from Google Opinion Rewards, which is almost 3 million reviews, the general consensus is that Google Opinion Rewards is different from all these other scammy survey earning websites and that it actually does work. It also has a super high overall rating of 4.7 stars out of 5. It's made by Google, one of the biggest and most trustworthy companies in the world, so you know you can trust that they'll actually pay you for taking the surveys. To use Google Opinion Rewards, all you have to do is download the app on your phone and answer a few basic questions about yourself. Then, when a survey is available, the app will let you know. You can take the surveys anytime you have a few free minutes, like when you're waiting for the bus, stuck in traffic, or hanging out at home. Each survey will only take a couple of seconds to complete, and you'll get paid through PayPal. You can earn anywhere from 25 cents to $20 per survey. It's not going to make you rich, but it's an easy way to make a little extra cash. This survey website won't be one that will allow you to quit your job, but if you're able to make a couple of extra bucks here and there, that money will quickly start to add up. So if you're looking for a fun way to earn some money, give Google Opinion Rewards a try. For number 14 on our list, we have Enroll. It's a user testing website that pays you to test websites and apps and give your feedback on them. To get started with Enroll, you just have to join the website as a tester and then take usability tests and give your feedback based on your own experience. One of the cool things about Enroll is that you don't need a microphone or webcam to do the tests. All you have to do is follow the instructions and answer some questions about your experience with the website or app. Tests on Enroll usually only take a few minutes, and you can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $2 for a basic test or up to $10 for a more complex test. While Enroll is a decent way to make some extra cash, I will be covering some better user testing websites later in this video. But that doesn't mean you can't use both Enroll and other websites to make even more money. So I would say that this website overall is decent. It's definitely not the best on this list, especially compared to number 1. For number 13, we have Second to None. It's a secret shopper website that pays you to do things like eat at restaurants and shop at stores. As a mystery shopper for Second to None, you'll work on an assignment by assignment basis, and you have the freedom to accept or decline any assignments that come your way. Second to None is a really great place to work. In 2019, it was voted the best place to work by Inc. magazine. You can sign up to be a mystery shopper if you live in the US or Canada. To get started, you just need a phone, Wi-Fi, and a way to get to the stores. The setup process is really easy, and you can start making $20 per hour right away. Have you ever taken a really cool photo or video with your phone? If so, you might be able to make some money off of it with a website called Foap.com. Foap is a website where you can upload the photos and videos you take with your phone and sell them to brands, agencies, or anyone else who wants to buy them. All you have to do is take the photos and videos, and Foap will handle the rest. They'll split the profits with you 50-50. But there's even more money to be made on Foap. You can also submit your photos and videos to their missions. Just check out the mission brief and upload one or more photos or videos that the brand is looking for. If they choose your photo or video, you could earn several $100s. To get started with Foap, just download the app on your phone and create a free account. Then you can start posting your photos and videos and earning some cash. So if you got some cool photos or videos that you think people might want to buy, give Foap a try. Number 11 on our list is Lime. Lime is a scooter company that you can earn pretty decent money. To make money with Lime, you can become a lime juicer. As a lime juicer, you'll go around your area looking for lime scooters in the street, charge them up, and then drop them off at designated locations, which you can find on the app. It's a really easy process, and lime juicers can make around $8 per scooter. If a scooter is hard to charge, you can even make more money per scooter. Many lime juicers claim that returning scooters can earn them between $20 and $30 per hour. So if you're looking for a fun, unique way to make some money, give Lime a try. Number 10 on our list is Bird. So since we are currently on the topic of scooters, another scooter company that will pay you for charging scooters is one called Bird. The way you can make money with Bird is a little different from Lime, and you have the opportunity to earn even more money. To get started with Bird, you just have to download the app and sign up as a Bird flyer. You'll start at level 1, but you can level up by completing different tasks. As you level up, you'll unlock different perks and opportunities to earn more money. For example, once you reach level 2, you'll unlock a task type that pays higher amounts for collecting and charging scooters. Each scooter you collect has a base price of $5, but the harder it is is to collect a scooter, the more you'll get paid. Some bird flyers have reported earning around $100 per day just by collecting and charging scooters. To make that much money, you'll probably need to have a vehicle like a truck so you can gather a bunch of scooters at once. Do you like shopping, eating out, or just having fun? If so, you might be interested in a website called Market Force. This website's motto is "Get paid to shop, eat, or play." It's a mystery shopping website that pays you to do things you enjoy. To make money with Market Force, all you have to do is go into a store, restaurant, or any other business and pretend to be a normal customer. While you're there, you'll take notes for a report that you'll submit to Market Force. The pay can vary depending on the difficulty of the task and the store you're visiting, but on average, you can earn around $20 per hour. So if you want to get paid to shop, eat, or play, give Market Force a try. Are you a writer looking for freelance work? If so, you might want to check out ClearVoice, a website that was recently purchased by Fiverr. ClearVoice differs from most other freelance websites. A popular freelance website known as Upwork functions where freelancers will win contracts through a bidding process over particular proposals. The issue here, though, is that the competition results in people competing over price by setting their bids to the lowest price possible, resulting in freelancers making very little money. When it comes to ClearVoice, there isn't a bidding process. Instead, you just submit your portfolio and resume that provides all of your work, set your rate, and then ClearVoice will assign you to any jobs that coincide with your profile. Freelancers earn commissions ranging anywhere between $200 to $1,000 per gig or job, and many jobs can take less than a day to complete. Do you want to make some quick and easy money by completing small jobs for businesses? If so, you might want to check out Gigwalk. With Gigwalk, you can earn money by doing things like photographing grocery store shelves, reviewing restaurant menus, or attending company events to make sure everything is up to standards. The tasks on Gigwalk can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours to complete, and you can earn anywhere from $3 to $100 depending on the difficulty and complexity of the task. Gigwalk is a great app for anyone who wants to earn a little extra cash or even an entire extra paycheck's worth of money. To get started, just download the Gigwalk app on your phone, register your account, connect your PayPal account so you can get paid, and start completing tasks. For number 6, we have Snapwire. Imagine you could get paid for posting photos on your Instagram. Well, you can do just that by posting them on Snapwire instead. Snapwire functions very similarly to Foap, which I covered earlier in this video, where you'll be able to sell your photos to different brands all over the world and get paid very well as a result. You'll also be able to sell videos, graphic designs, and artwork. There are 2 ways to make money with Snapwire. The first way is by uploading high-quality photos, videos, and other creations to your portfolio. Whenever someone buys one of your creations, you'll earn a commission. The second way is by entering contests that clients post on the website. If you follow the requirements and your creation is chosen, you'll earn even more money. The amount you can earn with Snapwire varies depending on the request, but you can expect to make anywhere from $25 to $700 per gig or job. And the best part is, you'll get to keep 100% of your earnings. So if you're a creative person looking to make money online, give Snapwire a try. You might be surprised at how much you can earn. Are you a fast typer with good listening skills? If so, you might want to check out Scribie, a website that pays you to transcribe audio or video files. Companies use Scribie to have things like speeches, meetings, recordings, chats, and films transcribed, and they're willing to pay good money for this service. To get started with Scribie, you'll just need a computer, an internet connection, and a PayPal account. If you're new to this website, you can expect to earn around $800 per month as a transcriber. But if you're more experienced, you could earn up to $3,200 per month. Next on our list for number 4 is Field Agent. Field Agent is used by some of the world's largest companies to complete certain tasks to aid their business, and you can easily be the one who completes these basic tasks to earn extra income. The app functions where you will gather info from different brands and retailers by taking photos, providing your own opinions, and completing several other tasks. These types of tasks include taking photos of marketing materials in stores to make sure that the presentation is done correctly. Also, your feedback is highly valued by different companies in order to provide the best products and experience possible. Millions of people are already earning through Field Agent, so I can guarantee you that this is a very viable and legit way to earn money. And better yet, whenever you complete a task, the app will pay you instantly. To get started yourself, just download the Field Agent app, reserve a job, and then begin and complete it, wait for the field agent to review your submission, and once it is approved, you will get paid instantly to your bank account. You can expect to earn somewhere between $100 and $300 per day. TryMyUI functions very similarly to that of Enroll, which I went over earlier in this video. When it comes to TryMyUI, you'll be using either your phone or computer to test websites and provide sincere feedback about your experience when using that website. When it comes to testing, you'll be completing various tasks on the website or app and providing feedback about your likes and dislikes when using the app. This process occurs while your screen and voice will be recorded. You will get paid $10 per test, and taking the test will take about 20 to 30 minutes to finish a test. You will also be able to take an unlimited amount of tests every day. You will get paid every single Friday straight to your PayPal account. So with this, you won't be getting paid daily. Instead, you'll be getting paid on a weekly basis. To get started, just go to TryMyUI, click the button that says Get Paid to Test, create your free account, and begin to make money yourself. For number 2 on our list, we have Fiverr. It's one of the largest freelance websites where you can sell all sorts of services like designing logos or editing videos. Even if you don't have any special skills, there's probably something that you can sell on Fiverr. You can literally sell almost any type of service on this website. There just has to be some demand, and you would be surprised by what some people are willing to pay for. It can be a great way to earn money, with some people making over $100 grand a year on this site. And now for number 1 on our list, we have UserTesting.com. UserTesting.com is like the LeBron James of the survey/user testing world. Most survey-based websites will pay you poor quality surveys and only pay you a couple of cents per survey, but UserTesting.com will pay you dollars as opposed to cents. The biggest companies on the planet will use UserTesting.com to acquire valuable information and data on their products or services. These companies will pay top dollar in exchange for real, honest feedback so they can improve their product. You could expect to get paid $4 for a 10-minute survey, $10 for a 20-minute survey, and $30 to $120 for every live interview that could last between 30 minutes and 1 hour. UserTesting.com functions as a usability customer experience platform. As a result, you will essentially be testing stuff like websites, applications, and occasionally actual physical objects. To get started with UserTesting.com, you'll just need a computer, Wi-Fi, a mic if your computer doesn't already include one, and a PayPal account so they can pay you. So just go over to UserTesting.com, click the button that says Get Paid to Test, enter your email and phone number, and complete each step to get started. These 15 websites are great places to start earning an income online, but if you'd like to learn how you can start a real online business that can replace your full-time job, click the link in the description below to watch a free training that explains how you can do just that. And best of all, it is for complete beginners and people who have zero skills and experience. It's exactly how I got started and what allowed me to make a full-time income online. And if you'd like to know what the 15 highest paying jobs are that you can do from home, click this video right here.